So you have 5 savings and investment applications you can use to invest in the US stock market and also the Nigerian stock market. There are lots of applications over there you can start using, but I decided to streamline this video into 5 best ones you can start using. And the truth is that they are all free to use. You can sign up today and in 48 hours you can get your account live and start investing in any of the markets you feel like investing. Before we jump into reviewing these applications, I want you to understand that I'm not really recommending any of these applications to you. I want you to make your own research if you want to go ahead investing in the Nigerian stock market and which of the apps you should use for your own investments. When you are going through your research, you check out their terms and conditions, you check out their service fee, and also other things you need to check out on their platform. So without further ado, let's dive into this application. Now, I don't think you'll be surprised with what makes number 1 on my list. It's Afrinvestor 2.0. If you've been following this channel, you discovered that I've been discussing about Afrinvestor 2.0 because I've been using this platform for a period of time now. On Afrinvestor 2.0, you can invest in the Nigerian stock market, you can invest in treasury bill, you can invest in commercial paper, and also in savings bond. It's a nice investment platform you can use to start investing. For those persons that don't really trust Afrinvestor 2.0, the truth is that Afrinvestor 2.0 is owned by Afrinvest and they have been in the business of brokerage company for about 25 years now. So they are registered in the Security and Exchange Commission of Nigeria. So there are little chances of them going away with your money. Your money is in safe hand if you invest with them. So one thing about the platform also is that they give you some stock recommendation. There are some good side of using this platform. I can see that their charges is a bit low. Like, yeah, if you discover their charges, if you want to go ahead in withdrawing, you see that their charges is very much minimal. So you can go ahead starting investing. In just 48 hours, you can get your CHN number and your CSCS number for you to go ahead invest in the Nigerian stock market and buying savings bond. That's the place I've been using to buy savings bond. The place I've been using to invest in treasury bill and also in the Nigerian stock market. The next on our list is Optimus by Afrinvestor. Now on Optimus, you don't really invest in the Nigerian stock market there, you invest in the US stock market. You can go ahead investing also in mutual fund. One great thing about Optimus is that once you get a referral, you get 1,000 naira. Currently they are doing that bonus. So you can sign up using my link in the description and you can also start sharing your link and you can get 1,000 naira once somebody signs up with your platform. So that's the passive way of you making money if you want to go ahead referring. But if you don't want to go ahead referring, you can also use Optimus for saving. Now if you save on Optimus, you're getting a percentage hit at the end of the tenor. If you save in naira, you can get 20% of your investments at the end of the year. So that's an annual return on 20% on any amount you want to invest in or save in. Also, if you save in the US dollar, you can get 7% as return on investment at the end of the year. So Optimus can be used to invest in the stock market of the United States of America. You can also be used to save up and you can also be used to buy mutual fund. So that's great thing about Optimus. They are owned by Afrinvestor, so you can get started with them also. Now the third on our list is Trove. Now personally, I've used Trove, but currently I'm not really using them again. It's not because of their bad, no, it's because of I found Afrinvestor 2.0. So one thing about Trove is that you can invest in the US stock market and also in the Nigerian stock market. This is the app I use to invest in US stock. I use it to invest in Apple stock and also later I use it to buy MTN stock. The truth is that it was seamless. Like withdrawing on the platform was very much easy. I wanted to pull off my investment, it was very easy. I just had to pull it off and I got the money in my account very easy. Signing up is very easy. Once you get everything done, you can sign up on this platform. Now the fourth platform I want you to know is Bamboo. I don't think there's anyone that doesn't really know Bamboo because of they have been doing lots of adverts on YouTube. Everywhere their ad is there, you can invest in Bamboo. Now Bamboo is very much interested in your financial literacy, that they give you some resources you can use to get some insight on finance. They also give you some stock recommendation and some other financial news you need to know about investing. Now by using Bamboo, you can invest in treasury bill, you can invest in US stock and some other things you want to invest in Bamboo. Now they partner with Drive Wealth, which is a US stock broker. That's the reason you can invest in the US stock seamlessly. So a lot of persons are currently using Bamboo, but personally I don't really use Bamboo, but there are lots of features that are amazing if you want to go ahead using Bamboo. The fifth platform I want you to know is iInvest. iInvest literally does everything. Like you can invest in treasury bill, you can invest in the stock market, you can invest in commercial paper, you can invest in US stock. It's a great platform to use. iInvest is seamless, you can get started with, and their fee is quite competitive if you want to invest in iInvest. One that thing I need you to understand is that iInvest is supported by Sterling Bank, so there are lots of amazing features on iInvest. All this platform you can use to invest in the stock market. Now it's not compulsory that you get all this platform if you want to start investing. If you have Afrinvestor 2.0 or you have Optimus by Afrinvest, you can get started with investing in both the US stock market and also the Nigerian stock market. But there are some features that are great in some platform and are not really great in some platform. You can get 2 to 3 platforms for your investment, but I don't think you should get up to 5. The reason I mentioned this 5 is that you can make your research on this 5. The other platforms you can use to invest, you can invest in Cowrywise, you can invest in Piggyvest. There are lots of them out there. One advice to you is that before you get started with investing, you should make some research so that you know everything about the platform. If they are registered with Security and Exchange Commission and how long they have been there, to check their credentials credibility before you start giving them your money to invest in the market. If you want more content like this, do what to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video so that to reach out to lots of persons. And if you have any questions, do what to drop it in the comment section, and I'll look forward to replying all your comments and telling you some things you need to also understand. Till our next one, peace.